Welcome to Sunday Special and Sunday Funday, where I'm going to teach you food vocabulary. Ravioli con sugo, ravioli with sauce. Un piatto di carne, a plate of meat. Ci sono salsicce, polpette, una cipolla, costole, agnello e sugo. Ecco il mio piatto di carne. Here is my plate of meat. So let's begin to identify the food and the meat that I had on this plate. Una polpetta, a meatball. Una cipolla, an onion. Agnello, lamb. Una costola, a rib. Sausage, salsiccia. Sugo, sauce. Here we have gourmet potatoes. Potatoes, patate. The potatoes, le patate. Some of my favorite stuff to eat: squash. Squash, zucca. Squash with breadcrumbs. Zucca con pangrattato. Alright, growing up as a kid, I used to hate salad, and then I saw my brother eating it, so I would eat more and more. Olives, olive. Almonds, Mandorle. Cabbage, Cavolo. Salad, Insalata. Time for the refreshments for fruit. The word for fruit is frutta. The fruit, la frutta. Blueberries, Mirtilli. Grapes, uva. Strawberries, Fragole. And last but not least on this dish, Japanese persimmons called Fuyū. And this here marks the end. Hopefully you learned a good amount of food vocabulary in this special series. Sunday Funday to me means having fun eating and being with my family. What about you?